So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to clear your cache here on BTCC. So once the app is opened up, go to the home screen here by going to the bottom left. Once you're on the home tab, go to the top left and select the three horizontal lines. Then go to the top right and select the gear or the settings icon. And then once you're here, it's pretty straightforward. Where it says clear cache, if you just go ahead, or cache, if you just clear, basically go ahead and press on it, you get a notification at the top that says cache cleared. You can press on it again, and you can basically just clear it as simple as just pressing on it. So it's very simple to do, very straightforward. That is how you guys can clear your cache or your cache, however you pronounce it, here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.